There's your off and on button, the very first one. That tells you right now that we're using electricity, AC power, and it's automatically being directed that way. This is your propane function. If we unplug from our power right now, because our propane is on, it would automatically light itself on propane. There's nothing else you have to do. On this side, you've got little square boxes. That's for your temperature. You've got up to a number 5. So if you want to adjust your temperature, you can just hit that, and that'll be the coldest you can get right there. So nice and easy to use, very simple. All you do is turn it off and on, and then it'll go off. And carrying on, we've got a couple of little tables here. This is the twin bed model, okay? These back rests do power lift with these buttons on the sides. All you'd have to do is take off these cushions and then push the button, and if you wanted to lay back, watch TV, this bottom will lift up, and it'll be a nice angle for you to watch that TV up front there. Okay. So again, these tables are just for, you know, putting your iPad on or doing some reading or whatnot, or, you know, eating something on there too. So right here you've got your smoke alarm, just a regular household 9-volt battery that goes in there, so keep an eye on that. Here we've got our thermostat, which runs our AC and also our furnace. Okay. To turn that on, all you do is you turn it on like that. Then you can tell it what you want it to do. It just takes a second for it to wake up here. So there's our inside temperature. If you push that little button down right there, that tells you what the inside temperature is right now. Right now everything is off, so we hit the mode button again. That's the AC function. I've got it set to 12 degrees, so your AC will run until it reaches 12 degrees. And then you hit that again. It's an auto function. That's for a heat pump, which is on your AC. Then next is your furnace. So your furnace will run till it reaches 22. And that's just your fan speed. So when you're using your furnace, you want your fan speed on auto. And that's turning everything right off. Just underneath that, this is kind of a neat little light. You can actually dim this very top ceiling light here. You can turn it off, but you can also dim it or brighten it up even more. So definitely give you enough light, you know, when it's kind of cloudy and dark outside. So you can adjust it like that. And looking toward the front of the unit now, we've got another fan up here. This one is actually a powered vent fan. It's got 4 speeds on it. So all you do is you pull down on this knob, and then you can just open it up like that. And again, this one here does have a cover on it, so you can actually keep it open, okay, even when it's a light rain outside, and it'll be fine that way. So just turn it on, and you've got 4 speeds here. They do move a lot of air, okay? Now, because this has a motor in it, it's always recommended to leave either a window cracked open or maybe the bathroom door open with that fan vent open, because it'll pull air through, but if it doesn't have any way to pull it through, it'll create a suction and it'll burn out this motor eventually. So make sure there's another source of ventilation when you're using it. Okay, so up front, you've got your entertainment section again. You've got your stereo, DVD player, and the remote for that. You've also got your TV remote right here, and light switch for those 2 lights right up top there.